Pomushu? Hey everyone, this is Ayaan. I'm going on a trip with Mama and Dada. We are going for my first ever trip to a farm to see some animals and pumpkin patch. We are at Carpinito Brothers Pumpkin Patch and Corn Maze. This is located in Kent, Washington State, an hour drive from Seattle City, I guess. There were so many people. The entrance fee was $29 for 3 adults and 1 baby.
$29. Yes, yeah, you can grab it. It's the original kettle. This is the caramel one.
We are going in. I'm so excited. Wow, duck, mama duck, and ducklings. Oh, the peacocks. They were huge and blue. Turkeys. They are eating their mum. Wow, the roosters. Rooster is drinking water. Guinea pigs were there. Oh, they seem to be working out in their gym. Dada is showing me a white bunny and a black bunny. I only saw brown bunny so far. It comes to our yard every day. I'm seeing white and black bunnies for the first time. Oh, there are more ducks. They look a bit different. A huge pink piggy. She had many cute piglets. You know, they were so busy sleeping after drinking mama milkos. They were so cute. So many kids. They were playing in the cone. Mama Dada didn't let me play as cone is choking hazard for babies. So I watched all those kids playing in cone. It was all yellow. Then we saw kids playing with dried hay and we enjoyed watching them play. I was so happy. I saw a cute doggy. She said hi to me. I think we had a moment of our own. Oh, the goats were eating their food. Mama then showed me tractors and more goats. The goats wanted to play with me, I guess. So we'll go back. I wanna see more goats. Yeah, there they are. He came to say hi to me. Hi, Goti. Then we went to see some cows. The cows were eating green grass. They were huge as well. I loved seeing them eating. Nom, 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 nom. We clicked pictures with Pumpkin and then we headed to see some more animals. We saw yak, camel, oaks, and sheeps. The ox was waiting for its turn to eat because the sheep were busy eating. Then I guess it felt more hungry. Then we saw ponies. The ponies were very friendly. There were cute alpacas. I guess alpacas. Oh no, I'm not so sure. They were brown, black, and white in color. They had long neck and cute face and nice hairstyle and cute fluffy tail. Ah. Tiny Dodigi. Hi. Hi. Eh? Finger idanda. Ayaan baby. Ayaan baby. We loved their fall decorations and pumpkins and then had fun seeing a rubber ducky race. Come, let's see that. There was hay rides as well. We did not go for the hay ride because I started feeling a bit sleepy and missed my crib. So we decided to go back soon. Hi. Hi. Ayaan. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Ayaan baby. Sad woman. On the way back, we saw birds, planes, and then we saw giant pumpkins and beautiful orange sky. Those pumpkins that they kept at their entrance were as big as an elephant baby. They were huge. Then Mama, Dada and Chakku, they wanted to eat yummy yummy corns and get one for Mangu as well. So we decided to go buy those. ആ മങ്കുവിന് എന്നാ റോസ്റ്റഡ് കോൺ വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരെണ്ണം വാങ്ങിച്ചു വെച്ചോ. Butter in one of them. Two of them.
3 of them. Butter on 3.
It's getting dark.
Yummy, yummy corn. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
I got it.
How is it? How is it? As I love to eat cooked corn, they then thought of buying corn for me as well. They went to the store, got corn for me, and bought a lot of vegetables. The cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, beetroot, all those vegetables were fresh and big. I wanted to see all those vegetables for some more time, but then I felt so sleepy.
അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ
Chakku? We are paying for the veggies and then heading to the parking. I'm sleepy. Yay, I'm so excited. I love parking lots. There'll be so many cars. We saw orange sky and planes and birds. Again, there were so many birds going in one direction and planes on the other direction. It was lovely.
പോമോ
Planes
അങ്ങനെ
and
നമ്മുടെ ടൂർ
birds.
അവസാനിച്ചു. പോമോഷിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ പംകിൻ പാച്ച്. പോമോ ഫസ്റ്റ് പംകിൻ പാച്ച് ആൻഡ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫാം വിത്ത് ആനിമൽസ്.
That was a beautiful day. We all loved it. I had a lot of fun. I don't want to go back now. I want to spend more time here, guys. There are so many cars here.
എനിക്ക് കാറാണ് ഇഷ്ടം. I am Pumu.
I think everyone is so tired. So let's go home. Bye bye. Tata bye bye.